Hey guys, it's another amazing episode on Vivian's Lifelines where we discuss about the beauty of life, the challenges of life, we'll talk about health and talk about relationship, everything in between. So, firstly, I want to say thank you to our returning subscribers. Thank you for all those who come back, like, share, subscribe. I'm really grateful. Please don't stop. Keep sharing to your friends. Keep coming back. Keep liking, dropping your comments. I appreciate them all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, guys, today we're talking on something really nice and engaging. Looking at this, a lot of people have been talking about this particular aspect of our health and probably don't even understand how to walk around it and how to deal with it. Questions have popped up, questions have come on to my DM, and I decided probably I'll talk about it, discuss about it, and let everyone understand and know how to walk around it, especially in seasons like this. So, guys, I'm your host today. As you all know, my name is Vivian Echo, and today we are talking about something many of us have heard about, that is pneumonia. Pneumonia. Yeah, you heard it right. What is it? How does it affect your body? And most importantly, how can we end this episode? You will know exactly how to protect yourself and your loved ones after this amazing episode. What exactly is pneumonia? In simple terms, pneumonia is an infection of the lungs. Your lungs are made up of tiny air sacs that are called the alveoli. And pneumonia occurs when this sac become inflamed and filled with fluid or pus. Yeah, you heard me right. They are inflamed and filled with what? Fluid or pus. Now, this makes it hard for oxygen to move through and into your bloodstream, which can leave you feeling unwell. There are different causes of pneumonia, but the most common ones are bacteria, fungi, and viruses. When we talk of bacteria like Staphylococcus pneumoniae, this is often treated with antibiotics. While virus such as flu virus or even COVID-19, which we all know about, viral pneumonia usually resolves on its own, but in some cases can be severe. We have fungi, which is actually very rare, but usually affecting people with weakened immune system. You should know that. Now, what are the symptoms? Symptoms, they varies, but the most common signs include coughing, severe fever and chills, yeah, shortness of breath or difficulty when breathing. Also chest pain, especially when you cough or you breathe very deeply. Fatigue and sometimes confusion in elderly, like old adults. When you see all these symptoms, you really need to go for a checkup. You need to go to your hospital and know exactly what's wrong with you. It can be pneumonia because these are the various symptoms you get to see when you have such. Now, pneumonia can affect anyone. Note that. Be it young, old, anyone. Most especially people that are high risk are people that have other chronic diseases. Why do pneumonia really matters? Why does it matter? Why do people always talk about it? Why do people feel, yes, I have pneumonia also? You might wonder why pneumonia is such a big deal. Well, globally, pneumonia is a leading cause of hospitalization and even death, especially in vulnerable populations. Even in healthy adults, pneumonia can be debilitating, taking weeks to fully recover. It can also lead to complications like sepsis, pleural effusion, chronic breathing problem in severe cases. Now, understanding pneumonia can help us take it seriously and act early. if you find any of all these symptoms or these symptoms. We are talking about this, but still yet, I'm still going to let you know the preventive measures, how to prevent it and how to work around it so you avoid situations like that. And what are the preventive measures? Before we go in there, I would like you to like, share, subscribe to your friends, your loved ones, and those who you think will really need this. Because to be honest, a lot of people come down with pneumonia. A lot of people don't even know how to prevent it. A lot of people don't even know how to work around it. But today I'm going to teach you and let you know exactly how to work around it, especially when you are trying to avoid it. But if you see any of these symptoms, go to your doctor. Let them know what the situation is and try to work things out with them. Yeah. The good news is that pneumonia is largely preventable. And I'm giving you some key strategies. Number one, vaccination. Number two, good hygiene. Number three, healthy lifestyle. When we say vaccination, the pneumococcus vaccine prevents and protects against the most common bacteria, which is pneumonia. Also, the flu vaccine can prevent viral pneumonia caused by influenza. Good hygiene. You wash your hands regularly. Avoid touching your face, especially your mouth, your nose, and your eyes. Cover your nose when you are coughing or sneezing. Healthy lifestyle. When you eat balanced diets that are rich in fruits and vegetables, exercise regularly to keep your lungs and your immune system strong. Avoid smoking as it is dangerous for your lungs and increases infection risks. Another one I didn't mention, we have the environmental awareness and early treatment. Avoid crowded places, poorly ventilated areas wherever you are, especially in this season. Wear masks if you are immunocompromised or around people who are sick. And early treatment. Early treatment. If you notice any symptoms like persistent cough, fever, or difficulty breathing, see a healthcare professional, your doctor, anyone you know you can meet. Early treatment makes a huge difference. You should know that early treatment make a huge difference. To wrap it all, so make sure you don't find yourself wanting, especially in this season. To wrap up, pneumonia may sound very scary, but with knowledge, prevention, and timely care, it is very manageable. Protecting your lungs is protecting your life. Stay up to date with vaccine, practice good hygiene, and listen to your body. Thank you for tuning in to Vivian's Life Learns. And if you found this episode helpful, because today we're talking about health, we want our people to be we want our people to remain healthy and stay fit for us. Yeah, share it with your friends, your family, because staying informed is one of the best ways to stay healthy. And I'm Vivian, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for subscribing, and I look forward to your comments. If you have any question, drop it down and I'll be ready to answer you, okay?